Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the products that make your everyday life easier, cleaner, and safer. Today, we're looking at the best cleaner spray you can find, the all-purpose disinfecting cleaner spray, bleach-free, 32 ounces, in a convenient 2-pack. Now, let's get into why this cleaner stands out in a sea of similar-looking bottles. First off, this is an all-purpose disinfecting spray, and when we say all-purpose, we mean it. Whether it's your kitchen counters, bathroom surfaces, doorknobs, or even your home office setup, this spray is designed to handle it all. It kills 99.9% of household germs, which means it doesn't just clean the mess you can see, it disinfects the unseen, making your surfaces safe for your family. What makes it even more appealing is that it's bleach-free. That's right, no harsh bleach fumes, no stained clothes, no eye-watering chemical scent lingering in the air. Instead, you get a fresh, clean fragrance that doesn't overpower but gives you that instant feeling of cleanliness. Whether you're a parent cleaning up after sticky fingers or someone wanting a spotless workstation, this spray makes the process efficient and effective. The bottle itself is ergonomic and designed for comfortable grip and spraying. That's not something you usually think about, until you've used a cleaner that cramps your hand halfway through cleaning your kitchen. With this 32 ounces spray, you're getting plenty of product in a form that's easy to handle. Let's also talk value. You're getting a 2-pack here, which means you're stocked up for longer. Whether you keep one in the kitchen and one in the bathroom or just like to have backups, you're covered. You'll be glad to know that this spray doesn't just clean your home, it does it with consideration. While the full eco-credentials depend on the brand, bleach-free formulas are often a step in the right direction when it comes to reducing harsh chemical exposure indoors. In conclusion, the all-purpose disinfecting cleaner spray, bleach-free, 32 ounces, 2-pack, is a reliable, safe, and efficient cleaning solution that lives up to the hype. No nonsense, no residue, no overpowering smell. Just a cleaner, healthier space with every spray. If you're looking for the cleaner that does it all without the bleachy drawbacks, this is your go-to choice. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest insights on the products that help you live better. See you in the next video.